Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can post like a song snippet on your Instagram status. So select the direct messages button on the top right corner of your screen. Then under your note you're just going to select the plus button. You can either share a thought or you can add in a song. So select the music button here and just select the song that you want to add to your note, and that's basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!